One Model is a complete solution for people analytics. One Model not only brings together a powerful set of tools for data orchestration and data storytelling, but also a phenomenal predictive analytics capability, which we call One AI. One AI is an end-to-end auto ML and data exploration tool purpose-built for people analytics.
Huh?
One AI allows you to overcome the challenges that keep you from using predictive analytics.
Oh.
Oh.
To begin with, building good predictive models takes some impressive skills, but it's also really tedious. So even if you get some data scientists allocated to your people analytics team, you've got to be ready for them to spend a lot of time doing routine data cleansing and data exploration work, even if they've got some fancy tools like SageMaker or AutoSKLearn. One Model dramatically lowers the time and effort to value by focusing not only on the model building part, but the whole end-to-end process. One AI builds upon the output of our data orchestration capabilities, performs comprehensive EDA on that data, then cycles intelligently through a range of different algorithms to create a model. So yeah, we do AutoML, like the fun, cool part where you try out fancy algorithms, but we do all the overlooked upfront work too. With One AI, you can make predictions without being a data scientist. Let's forecast this line. Nice. If you are a data scientist, One AI will allow you to reinvest your time in interpreting and comparing models rather than the painstaking work of dimensionality reduction. Let's do that here. Or the joy of figuring out how to implement smote upsampling in your Python script. And done. So that's the upfront work. What happens after you build a model? Well, for starters, as soon as you put the results of your predictive models in front of people, you'd better be ready to explain them. So if you tried to shortcut all this work by just buying some generic off-the-shelf AI feature from a vendor, this can get really uncomfortable. You don't want to have to tell a senior executive, well, you see, it looks at millions of data points, and there's some proprietary custom models here, and this person, they score an 82. You can see the 82 by them there, and then this one they're lower. They're 70. So don't do that. But even if you built the models yourself, it's just really difficult to organize and retrieve all the various modeling runs and data analyses you created on your way to the latest version of the model. One Model solves this by saving all the configurations, the variable statuses, correlations, analyses, performance, and output of every iteration of the models you build. If someone really wants to know, you can show them all the statistics and choices behind the results of your models, even if it's a model you made 2 years ago and 2 laptops ago. And if all this wasn't enough, I've actually oversimplified the last part. How do you get the results of your predictive models out in front of people in the first place? Wouldn't it be nice if all these data science capabilities were built right into a world-class, end-to-end people analytics solution? Well, you could just press a button, and your predictions would be integrated back into this interconnected data model and available for use on storyboards and secured by a really comprehensive security model. Yeah, it is really nice. So that's an introduction to One AI and how we do predictive analytics at One Model. One Model is a complete solution for people analytics, and that means it includes an end-to-end auto ML and data exploration tool purpose-built for people analytics.